Module Overview. In the 21st century, governance is no longer confined to bureaucratic corridors or legislative halls. It has moved to digital platforms, cloud servers, open data dashboards, and real-time citizen feedback apps. Module 9 explores how technology and innovation, particularly e-governance tools, have transformed traditional accountability mechanisms into dynamic, responsive, real-time, and participatory systems that empower both the state and the citizen. The marriage between digital transformation and public governance is not just a trend, it is a necessity. In the face of growing complexity, public distrust and institutional opacity, ICTs, information and communication technologies, offer a revolutionary pathway to open government, data-driven decision-making, fraud prevention, citizen empowerment, and collaborative service delivery. This module will deeply examine e-governance, definitions, components, global trends, digital transparency platforms, ICT-enabled public financial management, social media, mobile apps, and digital feedback channels, blockchain, AI, big data, and their emerging roles, risks, limitations, and digital divides, case studies and future trajectories. E-governance, concepts, architecture, and strategic importance. E-governance refers to the application of digital technologies to facilitate and enhance the delivery of government services, communication accountability, transparency, and citizen engagement. It involves a fundamental rethinking of public administration, enabling G2C, government-to-citizen services such as online tax filing, licensing, and benefit distribution. G2B, government-to-business, platforms like digital procurement portals and business registration. G2G, government-to-government, data sharing across ministries and tiers. G2E, government-to-employee systems for HR management and payroll. Key pillars of e-governance include connectivity infrastructure, broadband, mobile networks, software platforms, portals, apps, open APIs, digital identity systems, e.g., NIN, BVN, data governance, and cybersecurity protocols. Digital tools, enhancing transparency and accountability. Open data and portals. Governments publish budgets, expenditures, procurement contracts, and project updates for public scrutiny. Examples: Open Treasury Portal, Nigeria. Budget Transparency Portal, Kenya, data.gov, USA. B. E-procurement systems reduce corruption by automating tendering and contract awards, ensure competitive bidding, audit trails, and public access. Examples: Nigeria's NOCOPO, India's Government E-Marketplace, GEM. C. Financial Management Information Systems, FMIS, digitized budgeting, payment processing, payroll, and accounting systems. Enable real-time tracking of government spending. D. Citizen engagement platforms, mobile apps, SMS tools, WhatsApp bots, and USSD codes for filing complaints, reporting corruption, tracking projects, accessing public information. Example: Budgetees Tracker, I Paid a Bribe, Fix My Street E, social media governance. Emerging technologies, shaping next-gen accountability. A. Blockchain technology. Immutable, decentralized ledgers prevent data tampering in land records, contract awards, budget releases, and voting systems. B. Artificial intelligence, AI. Predictive analytics detect fraud patterns, audit anomalies, and ghost workers. Chatbots automate citizen inquiries and complaints. C. Big data and machine learning track trends in service delivery, optimize policy design, and detect waste. D. Internet of Things, IoT, real-time sensors, monitor public works, e.g., street lighting, waste bins, boreholes. Global best practices and country innovations. Estonia, e-government pioneer with digital ID, e-residency, and blockchain-backed registries. Rwanda, Irembo platform offering over 100 government services online. India, Aadhaar digital identity linked to welfare schemes reduces ghost beneficiaries. South Korea. Online procurement and project monitoring systems cut red tape and corruption. Challenges and risks of digital governance. Digital divide. Rural areas may lack access to internet-enabled services. Cybersecurity threats. Data breaches, ransomware, and phishing attacks. Digital illiteracy. Limit citizen use of e-platforms. Exclusion and bias. Algorithmic errors may marginalize vulnerable groups. Political manipulation, disinformation campaigns, and surveillance abuse. Resistance to change, bureaucratic inertia, and sabotage of reform efforts. Policy recommendations for effective e-governance and innovation use. Legislate for digital rights, cybersecurity, and open data policies. Invest in ICT infrastructure, especially in underserved regions. Digitally train public servants and citizens. Embed anti-corruption goals into all e-governance systems. Create digital ombudsman systems for redress and accountability. Partner with civic tech innovators, private sector, and academia. Conclusion of module. Technology is not a magic wand, but when paired with political will, legal support, and civic participation, it becomes a formidable tool for transforming opaque systems into transparent, accountable, and citizen-centered governance models. This module challenges you to not only understand digital tools, but to reimagine governance as a collaborative, open source, and real-time democratic process that thrives on innovation.